I learn just as much from my clients as I hope that they learn from me. They are resilient, they are strong, and they can show you that there's a way to safety, and it takes a lot to get there, and we just hope that we can help. Safe Legal Services offers legal services to survivors of violence who identify as victims of domestic violence, sexual assault, human trafficking, or child abuse. We will offer pro se assistance, direct legal representation, referrals, resources, or just sit and have a conversation, so breaking down what is your legal question. All of our services are free of charge. Survivors can go a number of places to get legal consultations. They can go to private attorneys, they can go to friends or family. What Safe Legal Services does is they can help a survivor identify not just the best legal option or outcome for their case, but also what's the safest option. And so for some survivors, it may be the best legal option to go get a protective order or file for divorce, but it might not be the safest option. And so when they meet with lawyers at SAFE or legal advocates at SAFE, we can talk about both options.
As a legal advocate myself, what I tend to do is to provide court accompaniments to survivors. So if we are going to court regarding maybe there's a custody issue or they're dealing with child support or a divorce, then I will just go to court with them at their request and just walk through the day with them. So just being that additional support person, it can be a hectic day. So having somebody like myself that can go in and be kind of level-headed and be able to listen to everything that is happening, whatever the judge is saying, the attorneys are saying, and whoever else is involved, and to be able to relay that information back to the client if they need it, or to just kind of be able to debrief after the court hearing.
Legal Services is the second most requested resource by survivors of domestic violence, just behind housing. And Legal Services is also the only avenue in where a survivor is going to go head to get against that person who has used violence against them in an adversarial setting. And so for staff and for survivors, it's really important to know how to navigate systems that may not be trauma informed or could further victimize that survivor.
When we have someone that has experienced domestic violence or has been sexually assaulted or has been trafficked, then having individuals that are connected to an organization that is trauma informed and really knows the process in relation to how it can affect a survivor is really important. So I think that that's where SAFE comes in with the trained staff that we have, the individuals such as myself and our staff attorneys who have been involved in this work for a while and understand what trauma can look like and how it can affect someone that is experiencing what our survivors experience.